Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronak and welcome back to my channel The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official trailer for Sardar Udham Singh starring Vicky Kaushal and this is directed by Shoojit Sarkar. So here is my reaction. This releases on October 16th, which is not that far away. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1,
The Indians never forgive their enemies. They strike them down even after 20 years.
Gandhi has left Delhi for Amritsar.
Arrest Gandhi.
और अगर अब कुछ नहीं किया ना तो अगले 100 साल तक इन अंग्रेजों के नीचे रहेंगे।
अंदर भी जब एंटर करोगे ना तो ये दिखाना।
I see death, no sleep in years.
मंडे को चर्च, फ्राइडे को सिनेमा हॉल और सैटरडेज को क्लब।
You want the freedom of your people. You should be there.
I fight different way.
तुम चले जाओ यहाँ से।
अगर हमने यहाँ लंदन में ब्रिटिश के हार्ट में कुछ कर दिया, हमारा मैसेज पूरे वर्ल्ड तक जाएगा।
What is the next target?
Revolution is a dangerous game. We need to set an example.
Sir.
Uday Singh, are you?
Yes.
Frank Brazil,
Yes.
you're Udam Singh.
Yes.
What's your real name?
मर्डर को प्रोटेस्ट मानेगा या प्रोटेस्ट को मर्डर मानेगा आपका ब्रिटिश लॉ। मुझे एक रिवॉल्वर चाहिए। Tell people I was a revolutionary.
Oh, goosebumps. Oh. That last scene, man. I mean, they definitely have to show something related to Jallianwala Bagh massacre because that was an important turnaround for the events that they are going to show in this movie because Sardar Udham Singh was responsible for getting revenge on so many lives lost by killing Michael Lloyd, who was the one who was the general who actually ordered to fire like those bullets, kill those people, innocent civilians, nothing, innocent civilians, just for the sake of it, just because they wanted to prove a point. So yeah, I don't know whether so far in any movie, even in any Punjabi movie, let me know down in the comment section whether they have actually showed the Jallianwala Bagh massacre anywhere. कहीं पर अगर दिखाया है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक ऐसी कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी है जहाँ पे ये मैसेकर दिखाया गया है क्योंकि आई नो इट्स नॉट ईजी टू वॉच, इट विल नेवर बी ईजी टू वॉच. आई विल क्राई माई आईज आउट एंड गेटिंग गूज़बम्प्स ऑलरेडी. जस्ट लास्ट सीन जहाँ पे वो बंदा कहता है कि कोई है बचा हुआ. कांट इवन इमेजिन द families that have gone through so much, the people who were there, the kids, the women, the old people, the men. I don't. It's such brutality, right? And you know, there is a scene where that British woman says to Udham Singh that you are the sign of hope for your people. People look up to you. And he said that I do things on my way. So sometimes is being morally correct the correct way to bring people to freedom all the time? Like, that's the question which is being raised here. And I think it will be wonderfully done by Shoojit Sarkar because I think he's one of those directors who put attention to details very much. And all his movies, if you watch, they have some kind of underlying beauty and meaning to it. Very much depth in them. You know, even movies like tragic movies like October, you know, it's just beautiful. I just love that film very, very much. And at the moment they showed that, you know, October, that particular line, it just brought back memories from that movie. A very underrated movie, by the way. And I think Varun Dhawan has done a splendid job in that film. And I'm pretty sure Vicky Kaushal is going to just rock it in this movie. He's perfectly casted here. I like, the spotlight is totally on him. He's doing a great job. I am feeling that tension lad atmosphere. It feels like I'm on the edge of my seat, though it's very stylistically shot. Like, if you see the shot, they're very polished, and the costumes and the era, it's perfectly portrayed. The cars are the period in which it is set in. All of it looks just perfect. I cannot wait to watch this movie. This looks so good, so good. All the frames and everything in this movie looks really sleek. It looks like a 80s espionage thriller, and that's something which I'm looking forward to, because I don't really know the story. Nobody knows. Most of the people don't know about the story, and we need to know this. And thank you very much, Sajid and Vicky, for bringing this alive on screen, so that we also know about all those martyrs who were never recognized by our history books, because that's what happens. Some names just vanish like that, and we don't even know the kind of sacrifices they made for our country. And this is a huge sacrifice. Getting revenge on the killer for killing so many innocent lives is the best thing to do, and sometimes that's the only thing to do. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this movie to release. So guys, that was my reaction. Loved it. Each and every part of this trailer was just fabulous. So guys, if you guys enjoyed my reaction and thoughts, then please put a thumbs up, kindly your thoughts, sessions, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Help me reach the 50k subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, keep liking, subscribing, and sharing the love. Ciao.